Hi kids, welcome back to ASF Public School and College Karachi. It's Miss Sadaf Naz here. I am your English teacher. This is grade 2 unit 5. Today kids we will learn where and when to use the word this, that, these and those. So let's start. After completing the lesson kids you will be able to define demonstrative pronoun, identify demonstrative pronoun in given sentences. Before explaining you the demonstrative pronoun, let me remind you first what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Pronoun makes sentences shorter, easier to read and less repetitive. Let's read these short words. He, she, it, they, them, you, we, us, her, him, etc. These all words are called pronouns. And the demonstrative pronoun is a type of pronoun which we use in place of a noun. So let's learn what is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun takes the place of a noun. They are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that are far or near in the distance or time. There are only four in numbers: this, that, those and these. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन एक मुज़ाहिरी ज़मीर इसम की जगह लेता है। डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन एक या बहुत सारे इसम को ज़ाहिर करने या शनाख्त करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कि फ़ासले या वक्त में दूर या करीब हों। इनकी तादाद सिर्फ 4 है। दिस ये, दैट वो, दीस ये बहुत सारे, दोस्त वो बहुत सारे। These and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. These and those are plural demonstrative pronouns. As demonstrative pronouns, the word these, that, these, and those point out specific things without naming them. These and that singular यानी वाहिद demonstrative pronoun है. These and those plural यानी जमा demonstrative pronoun है. जैसा कि डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन में ये अल्फाज दीज, दैट, दीज एंड दोस चीज़ों का नाम लिए बगैर मखसूस चीज़ों की निशानदही करते हैं। Now look at this table kids. We use this and these for near or here nouns. Remember kids, this is the plural of these. We use that and those for far or their nouns. Remember kids, those is the plural of that. Kids, look at the direction of the finger carefully where the finger is pointing. This book, the book is near. That book, the book is far. These books, the books are near. Those books, the books are far. Now kids, let's learn about the words these, that and those. First, let's learn about the word this. This is used for person, animal or thing that is near to us. Look at an example. This is an apple. Here we are talking about a specific apple, the one in the girl hand. The apple is close to her. The noun which is close to us, we use the word this for them. Let's see some more example. This is a sofa. This is an umbrella. This is a camera. Remember kids, this is used only with one person, object and animal that is near. These are used for people, animals or things that are near to us. Have a look at this example. These are stars. Here the girl is pointing towards the stars. Here we have more than one star and the stars are near the girl. So the noun which is plural in numbers and close to us, we use the word these for them. Look at some more examples. These are balls. These are cups. These are leaves. Remember kids, these are used for plural nouns that are near to us. That is used for person, animal or thing that is far from us. Have a look at an example. That is a basket. Here the boy is pointing towards the basket. The basket is far from him. So the noun which is far from us and singular in number, we use the word that for them. Let's take some more example. That is a parrot. That is a lamb. That is an orange. Remember kids, that is used for singular noun that is far from us. Those. Those are used for people, animals or things that are far from us. Look at an example. Those are girls. Here the girl is pointing towards the girls. The girls are far from the girl who is pointing. And there are more than one girl. So the nouns which are far from us and plural in numbers, we use those for them. Have a look at some more examples. Those are chicks. Those are shirts. Those are toy cars. Remember kids, we use those with the plural nouns that are far from us. Kids, what did you learn today? Let's take a quick review. The word these, that, these and those are known as demonstrative pronouns. This is used to indicate one person or thing that is near. That is used to indicate one person or thing that is far. These is used to indicate more than one person or thing that are near. Those is used to indicate more than one person or thing that are far. Now kids, you have learned what are demonstrative pronouns. Now we will do some practice. For practice we will do book exercise. It's page number 39 and exercise A. In the first picture, in first sentence, the boy is wearing the cap. So the cap is near to him. The answer is this. In the second sentence, the boy is pointing towards the far thing. So the office is far from the boy. The answer will be that. In the third sentence, the computer is in girl's hand. So the computer is near to her. So we circle the answer this. In the fourth sentence, the television is far from the speaker. So the answer is that. And in the fifth sentence, the necklace is in girl's hand. So it is close to her. So we will circle the answer this. Now this is exercise B, page number 40. And the first sentence, here the girls are close to each other. So we do circle on the word these. And in the second sentence, the apples are looking far in the picture. So the answer is those. And in the third sentence, the oranges are in girl's hand and close to her. So we do circle on the word these. In the fourth sentence, the trucks are far from the person who is pointing. So the answer is those. In the fifth sentence, the books are in boy's hand and near to him. So we will circle the answer these. Now kids, I believe that all of you can understand and use the demonstrative pronoun these, that, these and those smoothly. Happy learning kids. Thank you for watching.